Hello everyone, Luis here again. Today I'm going to show you an interesting thing. It's the Sonic Mini 4K. For those that already know my channel, you know that one of my first videos was about the Sonic Mini 4K, my first unit. I did not have that much luck with that unit, so that led me to the creation of the first video. And by the time I was a little bit disappointed, so I sold the unit. But the time passed, and I thought to myself that I could give another chance to the Sonic Mini 4K. And this time I bought it through Amazon. So yeah, here in Europe they are selling that through Amazon. So I said, okay, maybe they have a better batch of machines now, so let's see. I'm planning to do a proper review of it with proper tests, with everything running, but this video specifically is for us to open this machine and see how it comes from Amazon. Okay, let's get started then. Okay, big box with a smaller box inside. Amazon stuff, right? I have here the machine. Let me get rid of that. And yes, you have here a beating box. Hope it not affected the printer, but let's see. We start with the box, and we have here on the box the user manual. They indeed sent me a sandpaper. Okay, this time I'm getting a sandpaper. But yeah, it's here the USB, the sandpaper, the screw, the Allen screw. Yeah, the power brick. The crappy scraper. The scraper is just gloves. The crappy scraper. Just scraping. Let's see the build plate, if it's sanded this time, but I'm not that confident of that. I will have to sand it again. Indeed, it came a little bit sanded, I think. I don't know if you guys can see here, but you can see that it has some markings here of it was sanded by a machine or something like that. Let's see how that will play out. Let me test something here with you, just to see if they fixed the build plate problem here. Let's see here. I'm feeling this build plate a little bit different from the last time. It seems better. It's well finished. Yeah, indeed they fixed that initial problem with the other that was getting stuck. That's a good sign. Thanks Frozen for that. finally. Let's get the rest of the machine. Okay, let's see here. Let's see what we get here. One of the first things that I want to check is if the lid is fitting perfectly there. It was one of the things that I noted in my previous units. It just did not fit perfectly. Let's see here. I know it closes on. There is a right direction. No, it's not that. It's not that. Here we go. There it is. Let's see here. Yay. They fixed that on this unit. So far, high hopes. High hopes. Good. Let's see the vat. Everything in place. Yeah, it's the same vat. Good. Good vat. Yeah, everything seems to be fine here. So that's it for now. The idea is to create a video with more in-depth review of this machine. I did not have the chance to do that before, so wait a few weeks maybe, and I will have more information to share with you about this printer, how it performs, and if it's really a good deal, okay? Or even if they fixed everything that it was present on the previous batch, okay? But so far, looks good, looks really good, promising. If you did not subscribe yet, please consider to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.